Okay, so this afternoon I'm here with Miss Ellie, whom I'm going to attempt to sit on in just a minute, if I've got the guts to do so. I'm a little bit worried about things. It's been a while. Let's get in the shade. So we're going to utilise the... Come on. She's given me a little bit of difficulty. Not a lot, but a little bit. Oh, she's going to be stupid. Okay, Miss Ellie. I'm going to start on this side. This is the side that's a bit easier to work with. You start by moving the saddle around. Putting some weight. Good girl. And taking the weights off. I'll go the other side. She'll let us do the same thing over here. And she does. I'm going to leave that on that side. You see what she does when I try to get on without that thing. Okay, I'm on. I didn't use the step to get on. Good. I'm just going to walk slowly around, just slowly. Nothing major. And a woo. And a woo. Good girl. I'm going to jump down this side. Okay. Now I'm just going to give myself a bit of a moment to have a breathe. One thing I did forget to do, which I normally would do. Give me this one. She might give it to me. Up. Good girl. Ah, there we go. Not too big a stretch. There we go. She got her nice remembering capsules, thinking capsules on. Good girl. A bit better there. And there we go. Okay. Giving her a bit of a massage there. Now I'm going to jump on from the other side. I'm going to see if she'll let me get on without the bucket. But if she causes me any drama, then we'll use the... No, she's going to be silly, so we're going to get this one. Okay. And this is the side she starts with, carrying on with. Ah! So she's clearly saying to me no. But she's also had no work, so I need to think about it. Get her to relax. Good girl. Just to relax. Good girl. And I don't feel that comfortable on this side. Like, feels a little scary, huh? Good girl. Mind you, this is a horse I've done a lot of work on. Broken in virtually. Good girl. Oh, lovely. Lovely job. Good girl. Good girl. And a woo. And a woo. Good. Just want to sit there for a minute. Not ready to do much other than sit. been such a long time. She's very good though. She remembers what she's supposed to do. And this is a good thing. Good girl. And then we're going to park us at the wall. And when she parks well, I jump off well. Good job. Good girl. Doesn't look like much, but for me that was a lot. That was big. Yeah, good girl. She's very relaxed. I'm going to do again. This side again. Good girl. Good girl. Good job. And a woo. And woo. Woo. There you go. Woo. Good girl. That's all I want to do. Good girl. Oh, no. No, no. No, no, no. Don't put your foot there. She says, are you going to put this there? What's that for? You're the reason there's a big crack in the top. Indeed, you are. And park. Here, will you park. Good girl. The other thing I want her to learn from this is that there's a reward at the end of it all. Nice rub. Scrub, dub, dub. All those things that we used to do together a long time ago, 6 months ago, as a daily basis. It was so much nicer when we were better in tune and doing it every single day. I've got to get back to that. Well, not every single day, but every maybe second or third day. And she's going to be a very good, gentle girl. Thank you very much. Lovely releasing. And I'm going to do her without a bridle quickly for a minute. Good girl. And wait. Good girl. And there we go. We forgot to do our stretch, didn't we, beforehand? Beautiful stretching. Lovely job. She's like, hurry up. Getting very tired. Getting very tired, aren't you? Yeah, I'm a bit tired of this all going down. Not good to hesitate with her. You need to move it fast. Get on. I mean, take your time, but don't be forever. And woo. Good girl. Good girl. Woo. And drop. Good girl. And woo. Good girl. Whoa. No. Whoa. Good girl. So we're now bitless. We're seeing if she's listening. She feels as if she's listening. That'll do. And whoa. No, whoa, don't you park there. There. Stay there. Good girl. Oh, good job. Now I'm going to let her go because she just let me do everything I asked. And I'm feeling a bit better about it all. So first we'll leave this halter on because I'll need to take her home when it's tea time. And we'll get her saddle off. Oh, she says, I'll come back again. I'm just crazy about the day. Oh, you're sweaty already. You're too tubber, that's what it is. You're out of condition, and I don't blame you. You've been left alone for a long time. You've had a big spell. Just like you did when you first came home, and I had to refinish you. Good girl. Good job. All right. Alright, so that's pretty much it for her today, and it wasn't very long, but it was good. We got a good result. Okay, thanks for watching. Good girl, Ellie.